Every restaurant owner wants the same thing: more orders, fewer missed messages, and customers who come back again and again. What if your restaurant could reply to customers, take orders, and promote your menu automatically, even when you're busy cooking or serving? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Owner AI software for your restaurant in a simple, real, and practical way. If you run a restaurant, cafe, fast food place, or food delivery business, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how restaurant owners are using Owner AI to save time, reduce missed orders, and increase daily sales without technical stress. Owner AI is a software designed to help business owners, especially restaurants, automate customer conversations and marketing. Think of it as a smart digital assistant that works for your restaurant 24 hours a day. Instead of answering the same questions again and again, Owner AI helps you respond faster, promote your menu, and stay connected with customers. Most restaurants lose sales not because the food is bad, but because messages are missed. Customers ask for menus, prices, or opening hours, and if they don't get a quick reply, they move on. Owner AI helps you fix this problem. First, you create your restaurant profile inside Owner AI. Add restaurant name, location, business hours, contact details. This helps the AI understand your business. Next, upload or type in your menu. Include food names, prices, combos, or specials. This is important because Owner AI will use this menu to answer customer questions and suggest items. Now connect Owner AI to where your customers already are, like WhatsApp, website chat, or social media. From now on, customers get fast replies, even when you're busy. You can set automatic responses for common questions like, "Can I see the menu? Are you open? Do you deliver?" You can also add promotions like daily specials or combo deals. Owner AI doesn't just reply, it helps you sell. Examples: suggesting add-ons, promoting best-selling meals, sending follow-up messages. This increases average order value and brings customers back. Owner AI works especially well for local restaurants because it's simple, mobile-friendly, and works with platforms customers already trust. No complicated systems, just smart automation. If you're a restaurant owner trying to grow without stress, tools like Owner AI can really make a difference. And if this is your first time here, you're welcome. This channel is dedicated to helping local businesses grow using practical AI tools. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. You're always welcome here.